Will you ask the right questions? Mastering questions with Will. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting episode on our journey to master the English language. Today, we're delving into an essential part of intermediate grammar, questions with will. Understanding how to use will in questions is fundamental in both written and spoken English. It opens up a world of possibilities for future conversations and offers a new level of depth to your English skills. Let's jump right in. First, we need to understand the role of will in English. Will is a modal verb used to express the future tense. It talks about things that are going to happen, or we expect to happen. When will is used in questions, it helps us ask about future actions, plans, or intentions. For example, a question like, "Will you go to the party tomorrow?" is asking about a future action, and the response could be either, "Yes, I will," or "No, I won't." Forming questions with will follows a straightforward structure. Will plus subject plus base form of verb plus. For example, will you come to the meeting? Will it rain tomorrow? It's crucial to remember that we do not use will with to in this form of question. So it's, will you do that? Not, will you to do that? While we've understood the structure, understanding the usage is equally important. We use will in questions when 1. We want to request something or ask for a favor. For example, will you help me with this? 2. We want to offer something or suggest an action. For example, will I make some tea? 3. We want to ask about someone's intention or decision about the future. For example, will you study for your exam? Sometimes, we can form negative questions with will to express surprise or disbelief. The structure is won't plus subject plus base form of verb plus. For example, won't you come to the party? Won't they play in the match? Remember, the use of negative questions with will can sometimes sound informal or confrontational, so be mindful of the context in which you're using them. Well, that's a wrap on our lesson about questions with will. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering these types of questions. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Don't hesitate to pause the video, rewind, or even rewatch to solidify your understanding. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be forming questions with will as naturally as a native speaker. Until next time, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.